coastal flood warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Saturday. What? For the coastal flood warning, 2 to 4 feet of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level is expected for southside locations on Hatteras Island from Buxton to Hatteras Inlet. Where? Vulnerable oceanside areas along the Outer Banks from Buxton north to Duck. Also, low-lying locations southside from Buxton to Hatteras Inlet. When? For the coastal flood warning, until 8 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: up to 2 to 4 feet of inundation above ground level is possible in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways, resulting in a low threat of property damage. Some roads and low threat of property damage. Some roads and low-lying property including parking lots, parks, lawns, and homes adjacent to the waterfront will experience shallow flooding. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.